real question is, are you both so smart enough to feel stupid? Hope so, now hope.
Kick shoes off, let's hit it.